He hit himself.
No. Like it barely tapped my side right here and it fucking shocked me. He gave me like a shock.
I'm not touching that.
Did you see that?
I got that.
Oh, damn.
I caught that on camera.
Fuck
it, I'll do it.
Look, billions lost in new stock market crash.
Oh.
This is what happened. Guys, this is a reminder what happened to Suicide Bridge. Billions lost in new stock crash. And a lot of people.
You think that this could be actual, like, real cams in Mara from that camera?
Looks like it.
Dude, that is cool. It would be nice if this was like real artifacts, like actual. It could be, you know, don't get me wrong. This is dope. This is really nice.
Look at this. When the first job seekers got to work site, they learned why journalist Theodore White called it a deadly desert place. It was hot, windy.
Later known as Ragtown. The moon was shining on that river, and it was the most beautiful strand you ever saw in your life. We came in and took enough off the truck to pitch beds. We went to bed, we got up the next morning. I looked out, and right down there, it was awful. Tents, big wood-colored stuff that had looked so beautiful the night before in the moonlight.
That's how you.
Emery.
That's how you wash your.
They came with everything on their backs. And their cars had broke down before they got here, and they walked.
That's a nice
Someone helped them.
canteen.
I was
right there.
I was about to say
the person they had access to.
This is real, all real stuff. Look at this. Look how
Dude,
big those
old school
wrenches.
monkey wrenches. God damn!
Some big ones.
I was up with only 2 checks and never collected. I'm satisfied that they were keeping in the law.
Dude, you can see that this has real like dents and aging to it.
From hitting it to push up. Is that dynamite?
Yeah.
So dynamite.
But yeah, the replicas for sure. Oh damn, this is.
What's my job? A nipper, juicer, scaler, mucker.
Oh, these are miners.
Yeah.
These are their names.
Nipper, juicer, scaler, and there's.
The workers had a strange name for their job. See if you can guess what each man did from his job. Entitled
Mucker. I cleaned the loose rock mud out of the tunnel after the blast using short-handled shovel called banjo. I might spend hours up to my waist in mud, and for this I get $4 a day.
Damn.
Scaler. I'm the guy who uses a pry bar to knock loose rocks off high tunnel walls. They say only 2 kinds of men do this: the quick and the dead.
Juicer. After the tunnel face has been stuffed with dynamite and the crew has got safety outside, I'm the juicer who sets off the blast. Damn, that's a really cool name. Nipper. I work beside the miner, keeping him supplied with drilling steel and dynamite. If I don't jump fast enough, he'll blister my ears. Fuck. These are dangerous jobs, and they successfully did it. Well,
A lot of people died to build this this dam.
Oh my god, dude, look, he looks so real. Bro, look above you.
Huh? Yeah, isn't that sexy?
Oh. Those were the real Chippendales ladies. The real Chippendales back in the days. Dude, do you think that this is real tools? Like, actually? Oh, look. They used to burn some, like, metal to see if it was gold or silver or copper or whatever back then. Dude, desert water bags. Now, this is an old school tool. Now we have a new high-tech with everything.
Oh, dang.
They give you a nice little perspective on what the tools work like.
Camera.
Huh?
That's a camera.
I can see through it, kinda.
Press button.
kind of see it. We just get the perspective of what it is down there. It's cool. So patriotic right here. Sheesh. Insert your visitor pass into the slot and press down the handle to grab it. Look, you could do your actual look. You could stamp on something that's. It's like you can mold it to a paper.
Look, playing tag one day, a group of kids sneaked into a forbidden yard. Here they had fun jumping from barrel to barrel until a top flip dropped a 5-year-old girl up to her chest in tar. They sent her for the doctor, who hurried her off to the hospital. Luckily, her coveralls had taken most of the tar. The rest of was removed from her skin with gasoline bath. Doctors and nurses hastily reminded each other, now don't anyone light a cigarette.
Cause she would burn real quick. My guys are
Crazy.
This is like the coolest place I've probably ever been in a long time. Besides the Queen Mary, you know? This is like amazing. Bro. For rent, 2 hours for 50 cents. Women who didn't have a washing machine could rent one from Washing Machine. This was a washing machine back then. What the fuck? Bro. That's dope. I like this. The rich and the famous come to the Boulder City.
I'm gonna bring my beer.
I don't even want to watch him. He's gonna piss me off.
Yeah.
Dude, look, this is how they used to do it back then.
Look,
With the old school phone line connectors.
I gotta call in Hex.
Dude, this is how they used to do it. This is so cool.
I think Hex is on line.
Electrical
four.
good?
Yeah.
There you go.
Line 4. Hex.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hurry up, get to Boulder City.
There you go.
Hurry up.
There you
We gotta
go.
shoot an investigation.
Just shoot it.
Alright, don't be late. Bring all the tools. REM pods too. Mike. Got it.
Yeah, this is cool. Oh, Lord, man. This is amazing. There is beef. That's an old school Dodge. And then look at this. Nightmare on Elm Street. That looks creepy. Oh. Yeah. Look at that huge SRV. What the fuck? It's bigger than the house. Oh boy. Dude, I was doing that over there.
Character.
Oh, come here, pal. Oh, shucks. We're doing adventures with the boys.
Yep.
What's up?
And then we got a little Hex over there.
What's up?
What's up?
We're gonna go out and get some Chinese food.
Anyway. Woo.